Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm going to be giving Anna's her first haircut. It's just gonna be her bangs. She has pretty long bangs, and I want to show you. As you can see, her bangs go up to her eyes. So I'm just gonna cut them today. Hopefully it turns out okay. I'm kind of scared, to be honest. So I wanted to do it before I bathed her. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to do it right now. I'm so scared. I hope I don't know. I hope it's not bad. But anyway, I'm gonna do that. If you want to watch and you want to see how it turns out, keep on watching. Also, if you do like this kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Yes, let's get started. Okay, so to do this, you just need some scissors. And where did I leave the I think I left it in the restroom. Yes, and you need a little comb. So I just put some baby music in the background. And I'm gonna set you up here so you can see. Okay, I think this is a good angle. So we're gonna get to it. Hopefully she stays put. I need a little bow. So I have a little bow to set her hair. She's already fuzzy. Hopefully should let me do this. And I'm gonna try to just get her bangs there. Okay, so I think that's a good bang. But you can see it's there on her face. I'm sorry, Mama. So, I'm shaking. I'm so nervous. Okay. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and do these little ones. Let's see. Think a little bit more. Oh, your first haircut. Okay. Just a tiny bit more. Don't move, Mama. Okay. She moved. Okay. See, yeah, she moved a little bit. Oh no, Anna. So this part is a little bit shorter than this side. Let me see. I think that's fine though. No, maybe a tiny bit more. But this was gonna be easy. Te pongo otra. Let me change the song. She loves this one. So I'm just gonna even it out. Okay. I think okay. I think that's perfect. I don't think that's too short, not too long. So, wait, now she's full of hairs. I think it looks pretty okay. I'm going to bathe her and hopefully it looks good once she showers. But yeah, I got her little baby hairs here. I don't know if I should save them for what, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to bathe her and then I'll come back to show you the final result. So baby Anna just got out of the shower and I think she looks pretty cute. What do you think? What do you think, baby Anna? Do you like your haircut? Yes? Sí, bravo! Oh, you wanna comb my hair? Bravo! Ah, gracias. So I think it was good for my first time doing it. I was a little scared, but I think it was a success. She looks pretty darn cute and the hair is out of her way. So yeah, I think she likes it. I think she's enjoying not having hair on her eyes. So it's so weird seeing her like a little girl, like a little toddler almost. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, like and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.